Students of class 5th, your maths term test 1 syllabus is chapter 1, 2 and 7. Now we will start chapter 1, that is number and numeration. First of all, we will discuss about what is the number form and what is the numeration form of the number. Topic wise, how many topics we have to study in this chapter, how many concepts we have to study in this chapter, we will discuss one by one first of all, then we will start the exercises. So suppose that this is the 27, this is the symbol of 27. This form of the 27 of any number is called a numeral form. This form is numeral form. If we write this number in words, means 27, so this word form of the number is called numeration form. Numeration form of the number. It means number can be represented by two types. Symbolic form means numeral form and word form means numeration form. Next point, this is our first concept. Next concept, expanded form and short form. So suppose that this is 2600. If we have to write this 2600 in the expanded notation like 2600, and tens place is not there, ones place is not there also, means 00 2600. Take another example, 6465, 6465. So this is the short form and this is the expanded form. When we write any number in numeral form or short form, that is called the short form of the number, and this is the expanded form of the number. And then next point is comparison of the number. How comparison? How we will compare the numbers? Suppose that there are two numbers 6479 and 6382 and 64983496. We have to compare these two numbers and these two numbers. So in order to compare the numbers, first of all we will see the digit of the numbers. In this number there are 4 digits, in this number there are 4 digits also. So if case 1, if both the numbers have the same number of digit, then we will compare digit to digit. First of all we will compare the leftmost digit. This is 6, both are equal. This is 4 and this is 9. This is 7 and this is 8. But at 100th place we have seen 9 is greater than 4. So which digit is greater, that number will be greater than other. It means this number is greater than this. In second case, if the number of digits of the number are different, means suppose that it has 5 number of digit, it has 4 number of digits. So the number having greater number of digit will be greater. So this is the comparison, how to compare the numbers using these two steps. These two steps we have to follow to compare the number. Easily we can compare. Next point, place value and face value. How can we find out the place value and face value? What is the place value of face value? So place value means place and value, face and value. It means in any number, this is the number, we have to find out the place value of 4. So place value means, to find out the place value, simply multiply the digit in its place. 4 is at 1000th place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 4 is at 1000th place. It means the place value of 4 will be 4000. Place value of 6, simply multiply 6 with its place. Where is 6? Ones, tens, hundreds. 6 is at hundreds place. It means the place value of 6 will be 600. This is the place value. And face value, so face value is simply the value of number itself or digit itself. So face value is the value of digit itself. In this number, the face value of 3 is 3, face value of 6 is 6, face value of 4 is 4, face value of 3 is 3. So I hope is that clear what is the place value and face value. Now start the next point. Our next point is ascending order and descending order. We already read about the comparison, ascending order and descending order. So we already read about the comparison. After comparison, we arrange the numbers in proper order. Suppose that there are some numbers. Question is, arrange these numbers in ascending order or descending order. So ascending order means arrange all the numbers in the form of smaller to greater. 25 less than 30 less than 60 less than 65 means the proper arrangement of the number from smaller to greater form. So this arrangement, this proper array means arrangement of the numbers. So this proper arrangement of the numbers is known as ascending order. In descending order, arrange all the numbers in the form of descending, in the form of greater to smaller. This proper arrangement of the number is called descending order. So ascending order means arrangement the number from smaller to greater. Descending order means arrange the numbers from smaller to from greater to smaller order. So this is the descending order. Next point is number formation. How to form the numbers using the given digits. Number formation. Number formation. Suppose that we have some digits 2, 5, 0, 9, 8, 6. Another number 3, 5, 7, 2, 3, 4. I have two numbers, 2 points. In this point there are 6 digits, in this point there are 6 digits also. We have to learn about number formation. Means using these given digits we have to form a smallest number and greatest number. Using these given digits we have to form a smallest number and greatest number. So how can we form a smallest number using the given digits? How can we form greatest number using the given digits? Let's know. There are 2 points. In this question, in digits there is 0, but in this question there is no 0. So there are 2 cases. If the digits have 0, then to form the smallest number, 0 will be at second place from the extreme left. It means simply to form the smallest number, arrange all the digits in ascending order. To form the greatest number, arrange all the digits in descending order. But in case of if digits have 0, then to form the smallest number, arrange these digits in ascending order other than 0, because 0 will be at second place from the extreme left. So the smallest number using these digits 2, 0, 5, 6, 8, 9. Greatest number descending order 9, 8, 6, 5, 2, 0. So in ascending order 0 will be at second place from the extreme left. But in this case there is no 0. So simply to form the ascending order, place all the digits in its 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7. Arrange the order in ascending order. And to form the greatest digit, arrange the digits to form the greatest number. Arrange the digits in descending order. This will be the greatest number using these digits. This is the greatest number using these digits. So I hope number formation is clear to you. Now place value chart, we have to discuss over that topic. Place value chart. Now all over the world except Indian place value system and international place value system, international place value chart and Indian place value chart. If we have to discuss about a larger number, Then there are two system to read the number, to write the number. Suppose that there is the number 2 3 4 7 1 8 9, 2 3 4 7 1 8 9 0. In this number, how can we read this number? So there are two methods, two system to read the number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. This is the Indian place value system, 10 crore. But in international place value system, there is not lakh, 10 lakh, crore. There is million, billion, 10 million, 10 billion. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. But in place of lakh, in international place value system, there is 100,000, not lakh. And after 100,000, million, 10 million. This is the international place value system to read the numbers. This is the Indian place value system to read the numbers. Now, how to place the commas in Indian place value system? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore, comma, so on. In international place value system, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, lakh, million, 10 million, 100 million, after 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, and so on. So this is the proper system to read the numbers, Indian place value system and international place value system. Now our next point, round off the numbers. Round off. We have to round up the numbers to nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1000. How can we round up the number nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1000? Suppose that I have a number 264139. This is the number. Question said, round off this number to the nearest 10. Nearest 10, this is the 10th place. To round off any number to the nearest 10, we have to see ones place. Ones place. To round off any number nearest 100, to round off the number nearest 100, we have to see tens place. C, tens place. To round off any number to the nearest 1000, to nearest 1000, we have to see 100th place. It means if we have to round off any number to the nearest 10, we have to see ones place. If we have to round off any number to the nearest 100, we have to see tens place. If we have to round off any number to the nearest 1000, we have to see hundreds place. Then, if ones place is less than 5, if ones place is less than 5, tens place is less than 5, hundreds place is less than 5, then number will not be, tens place will not be changed, ones place will be 0, hundreds place will remain as it is, and tens place and ones place will be replaced by 0 0. If hundreds place is less than 5, then thousands place will not be changed, and hundreds place, tens place, and ones place will be 0 0. If the number is equal to 5 or greater than 5, if the number is digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, equal to 5 or greater than 5, and so on for all the cases, then tens place will be increased by 1, ones place will be 0, hundreds place will be increased by 1, tens and ones place will be 0 0, thousandth place will increased by 1, hundreds place, tens place, and ones place will be 0 0. Round up this number to the nearest 10. To round up nearest 10, we have to see ones place. Ones place is 9, so 9 is greater than 5. This case, 9 is greater than 5. Ones place will be 0, and tens place will be increased by 1. Then it will be 2644140. To round off this number to the nearest 100, so to nearest 100 was the tens place. Tens place is 3. 3 is less than 5, this case. 3 is less than 5. So hundreds place will not be changed, or ones and tens place will be 0 0. It means 2 6 4 1 0 0. To round off nearest 1000 means this fourth place. This place we have to round off. To round off any number to the nearest 1000 was the hundreds place. This place is 1 and 1 is less than 5 this case. So thousandth place will be as it is, and these three places will be 0 0. So this is the round off the numbers. How to round off the numbers we will do by the process that is given. Now you already know about the successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor. What is a successor and predecessor? Successor means simply add 1 to the number. Predecessor means simply subtract 1 to the number. If we have to find out the successor of any number, simply add 1 in that number. If we have to find out the predecessor of any number, simply subtract 1 from the number. Successor of 29, add 1, 30. Predecessor of 29, subtract 1, 28. This is the predecessor and successor. So students, this is the complete fundamental concept of chapter 1 number and enumeration. Now all these concepts will be used up in the exercises. So watch the video 2-3 times, that all the concepts must be clear to you. All the exercise will be solved easily to you. So thank you.